Carolina via Nashville, Tennessee. Worked with Bobby and some of the Osborne brothers for 13 years. Also worked with Miss Dolly Barton, Mr. Mike Snyder and his great band, and the king of bluegrass music himself, Jimmy Martin. Thanks. He's going to do a song for you right now off of the new album that a lot of folks requested for this one right here, and we're so glad that he did. The one and only Mr. Terry Smith right here in the upright bass.
In honor of the way he hit the boat, I believe I'll slap the bass here a little bit. This is a tune called Hear That Lonesome Whistle Blow Sun. I've been called the great redemption. Maybe I'm coming home with the time. That wind blows. Father's gone. I'm in the dark. Can't you hear that wind blows? Oh, I can leave it down, but I'm not gonna let it go. I get up a bit too early. This old day's been way too long. And you can bet one thing for certain. 5 o'clock and Hunter Berry's taking home. Hey, that wind blows. Father's gone. I think you're gone. Can't you hear?